أهلا بكم طلاب الأعزاء، طلاب الصف الأول الإعدادي. نبدأ النهاردة مع بعض إن شاء الله شرح منهج جيومتري الترم الأول. نبدأ مع أول درس مع بعض Geometric Concepts the relation between the angles. في البداية بنتعرف على بعض المفاهيم الهندسية الهامة معنا في منهج السنة دي. طبعا المفاهيم الهندسية دي بنتكلم عنها بشكل مختلف عن اللي كنا بنتكلم عنه قبل كده. At first, the line segment. Line segment is a set of points consisting of two distinct points and all points between them. When we join them by a ruler. اللاين سيجمنت تتكون من مجموعة من النقط. مجموعة من النقط دي بين نقطتين محددتين. لاين سيجمنت A B ادي النقطتين المحددتين اللي هم A و B، ومجموعة النقط اللي بينهم اللي هو اللاين نفسه. You can write the line segment as line segment AB or line segment BA. You can start from A or start from B. The 2 points A and B are two end points. Distance from A to B or B to A is AB. AB is the length of line segment AB. BA is the length of line segment BA. The length of line segment AB equals 5 centimeters. You can write it as the length of line segment and put the line here equal 5 centimeters. الرمز ده AB بدون اللاين فوق منها ده معناها طول اللاين سيجمنت، لكن الرمز ده بيتكلم عن اللاين سيجمنت نفسها اسمها AB، لكن ما بيتكلمش عن طولها. لو انا حبيت اكتب طول اللاين سيجمنت لازم اكتب AB without line equal 5 سنتيمتر، يا اما اكتبها بالشكل ده the length of line segment AB equal 5 سنتيمتر. Straight line. Straight line. If we extend the line segment in both directions infinitely, we will get a straight line. لو انت مديت اللاين سيجمنت من ناحيتين انت هتحصل على مين؟ على الستريت لاين. لو مديت اللاين سيجمنت من ناحيتين الى ما لا نهايه انت هتحصل على مين؟ على الستريت لاين AB. Straight line you can denote by straight line AB or straight line BA. You can start from A or you can start from B. And the straight line you can't measure it with your ruler. Array is a line segment extended from only one of its terminals without limit. Array is a line segment extended from بيمتد من only one point, only one of its terminals. يمتد من إحدى نهايتي. line segment تمتد من إحدى نهايتي. تمام؟ without limit بدون طبعا إيه؟ نهاية. The ray AB, this is a symbol of ray. You will put one arrow, and at first you must put the starting point of the ray A. This ray is starting point A, and extend without end through B. The ray differs BA. AB مختلف عن BA because AB start from A to B and A is the starting point, but BA start from B and move to A without limit from A, so it's different. The line segment is subset of the ray. line segment AB is subset of AB. Line segment ray AB is a subset of straight line. And you can see that line segment AB is subset of ray AB, subset of straight line AB. The plan is a flat unbounded and extended without limit in all directions. ده سطح وممتد من كل الاتجاهات من النهاية. So we can say the surface of the board represent a part of plan. Also the floor of the classroom part of a plan. The wall of the classroom or room is a surface of another plan. The straight line AB is subset of the plan. Now, the angle is union of two rays with the same starting point. Union of two rays with the same starting point. Ray AC union ray AB and with starting point A give you angle. And in angle formed from two sides, side AC and side AB. And the point A, its name vertex of the angle. Vertex of the angle. And you can write the name of each angle by three names. At first, angle CAB, angle CAB, angle BAC, BAC, or angle A, angle A. And in angle divides the plan into three sets of points. In angle divides the plan into three sets of points. Point of the angle, point on the angle, like A, D, C, H. All of these points be on the line of the angle. After that, point interior the angle, interior. The interior like Y, F, and Z. Points exterior the angle like K, O, M. The exterior is outside, interior inside. The points on is points of the angle. It's the number expressing the amount of happened divergence between the two sides. The angle is measured using degree unit, and we denote it by the symbol degree. In the opposite figure, this figure, angle ABC, it's measured 50 degrees. And you measure the angle by protractor. You measure angles by protractor. Each degree equals 60 minutes. One small line here. 60 minutes. 1 degree, 60 minutes. And 1 minute equals 60 seconds. 60 seconds. For example, 23.5 degree equal 23 degree and 30 minutes. 65 and a quarter degree equals 65 and 15 minutes. We know that 1 degree equals 60 minutes, like hour. So half degree equals 30 minutes, and quarter degree equals 15 minutes. And 81 and 1/8 degree means 81 degree, 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Types of angles. Zero angle. Zero angle, it's measured 0 degree. Its sides are coincident. Coincident means انه الانجل دي بتتكون من تو ريز، التو ريز دول منطبقين على بعض وليهم نفس الستارتنج بوينت A. Acute angle is angle with measure more than 0 and less than 90 degree. More than 0, greater than 0, and less than 90 degree. Right angle, it's measure 90 degree, and we donate it by a small square inside it. Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is angle more than 90 and less than 180. Straight angle it's measure 180 degree. 180 degree. At last, reflex angle. Reflex angle is measure more than 180. More than 180 and less than 360. Less than 360. In the opposite figure, measure of angle A, B, C plus measure of angle A, B, C, the reflex equal 360. The sum of the two angles equal 360. Angle ABC is 130, so its reflex equals 360 minus 130 equal 230. Mention the type of each of the angles which their measures are as follows. 32. The type of this angle is less than 90 and more than 0, so it will be acute angle. 90 degree, it's exactly 90, so it's right angle. 110, it's more than 90 degree and less than 180, so it's obtuse angle. 180, it's straight angle. 250, it's more than 180 and less than 360, so it's reflex. 109 degree and 60 minutes. 60 minutes equal 1 degree. So you add 1 to 179, it will be 180. So it's a straight angle. 180 degree and a quarter. It's more than 180. So it's reflex. 159 degree and 159 and 3/8 degree. It's less than 180 and more than 90, so it will be obtuse. Try by yourself. Write the type of each angle, and the second table, write the reflex angle. 45. This angle is less than 90 and more than 0. It will be acute angle. 180, it's a straight angle. 200, it's more than 180. It will be reflex. 150, less than 180 and more than 90. It will be obtuse. 90 degree exactly. It will be right. 94 degree and 10 minutes. More than 90, it's and less than 180, it's obtuse. 89 degree and 61 minutes. 61 minutes, it's 1 degree and 1 minute. So you will add 1 degree to 89, it will be 90 degree, 90 degree and 1 minute. So it will be obtuse, more than 90. The reflex, here you will subtract 360 minus 135 and write the answer. And all of them easy except this one and this one. Here you will subtract 360 minus 52 and half, 52.5. It will be 307 and half, 307 and half. The last one, 89 degree, 60 minutes. 60 minutes means 1 degree, so it will be 90 degree. So the reflex 360 minus 200 minus 80 minus 90, it will be 270. And between angles, adjacent angles. Adjacent angles, two angles are said to be adjacent if they have a common vertex and common side. If you have two angles with common vertex and common side, the two angles are adjacent. And the other two sides are on the opposite sides of this common side. Like this one, we have two adjacent angles. The two angles have common vertex and common side, and the other two sides in the opposite side, AB, BA, and BC in the opposite side, and the common is between the two angles. And the two angles have the same vertex B. The two angles ABD and ABC not adjacent because the common is AB. The two angles ABC and CDE are not adjacent because they don't have the same vertex. Complementary angles. Complementary angles. Two angles are said to be complementary if the sum of their measures is 90. If two angles adjacent and their sum is 90 degree, it will be complementary. The angle 55, its complement is 35. Angle 55, its complement 35. The two complementary angles are either acute angle or one of them is 0 and the other is acute angle, is right angle. If one of the two complementary angle is acute, so the other angle is acute. If one of them is 0, the other will be right. The complements of the same angles or the equal angles is equal angles in measure are equal in measure. If we have two angles complementary and equal, the measure of each one is 45. Supplementary angles. Supplementary angles, two angles adjacent and their sum is 180. 180. So supplement of angle 143 is 37. The sum of the two angles is 180. Try by yourself. In each of the following figures, M belongs to straight line AB. M belongs to straight line AB. Then find the measure of the angles marked by question mark. The first one, he needs the measure of angle DMB. This angle is 50, and the two angles drawn on a straight line and on one side of it, drawn on a straight line and on one side of it. These two angles supplementary. These two angles supplementary. Their sum 180. To find this angle, you will subtract 180 minus 50. You will get 130. You will get 130. And here we have this one 110 and this one 35. At first add the two angles. It will be 145. Then subtract 180 minus 145. You will get 35. Yes. The last one, angle DMC. This angle is 90 degrees because it's denoted by this square. This square means it's 90 degrees. And here you have 45, so you will add 90 plus 45, it will be 135. Then subtract it from 180, you will get 45. The two outer sides of adjacent angles. If two adjacent angles are complementary, then their outer sides are on the same straight line. If two adjacent sides are supplementary, if two adjacent angles are supplementary, their sum equal 180, then their outer sides are on the same straight line. We have two supplementary angles here, then MA and MC are on the same straight line, these outer sides. You can see here, this angle is 50 and this angle is 130. If you find the sum of angles, it will be 180. So this angle is straight angles. So MA, ray MA and ray MC are on the same straight line. Remark, the two adjacent angles are not supplementary, then their outer sides are not on the same straight line. If you add the three angles and you didn't get 180, so BA and BC are not on the same straight line. And in this opposite side here, these three angles are 180. Their sum 180, so BA and BC are on the same straight line. Example, in the opposite figure, this angle is 35, this angle is 100, and this angle is 45. The sum of the three angles are 180. So AB and AC are on the same straight line. Another remark, if the two adjacent angles are complementary, their sum equal 90 degrees, then their outer sides are perpendicular. Perpendicular means make 90-degree angle. We have here two angles. The two angles, their sum equal 90 degrees. The two angles are complementary. So AM is perpendicular to MC. or MA perpendicular to MC. Number 2, this angle is 30, angle ACD. Read it correct. Angle ACD, the vertex in the middle, and angle BCE or angle ECB equals 50 degree, and angle DCE equal to measure of angle ECB. This angle is 2 of measure of this angle, means you will multiply this angle by 2 to get this one. So at first measure of angle DCE, it will be 2 times 50 equals 100, because measure of angle DCE equal 50 degree equal to measure of angle EC. Measure of angle DCE equal to measure of angle ECB, and this one is 50, so here it will be 2 times 50, it will be 100. Then the sum of the 3 angles equal 180. The sum of the 3 angles equal 180. Now you prove that CA and CB are on the straight line, are on the same straight line. Try by yourself. Each of the first state if CA and CB are on the same straight line or not, and why. At first, here you will write angle ACD, measure of angle ACD, plus measure of angle DCB equal to 55 plus 125, you will get 180. So CA and CB are on the same straight line. And here, you have a star in each angle. It means all of them the same. All of them the same. This 144 and this 144 also, and the other the same. All of them 44. To find the measure of the 4 angles, the sum of 4 angles, you will multiply 4 times 44. You will get 146. 146. 176. 176, it's not 180, so you can say that CA and CB, ray CA and ray CB are not in the same straight line. Thank you. شكرا لكم أبناء الأعزاء، وإلى اللقاء في الدرس الثاني جيومتري إن شاء الله.